Adobe. Adobe is like the industry leader when it comes to pretty much everything creative. I think they just outdid themselves. Adobe just updated Photoshop with their new text-to-image feature, Generative A.I. This thing is crazy, man, I'm telling you. Now, if you heard of Midjourney, this is pretty much like Adobe's answer to all of that stuff. Now, a quick heads up, this feature is only available in the Photoshop beta. And the only way to access that beta is through Creative Cloud, so you must have a subscription. Now, I've been playing with the program and I can say it's a dope feature. It is in beta, so everything isn't top notch when it comes to the images it's generating, but the potential is through the roof. Whatever you can imagine, you pretty much can generate it through this feature. Now you can make mixtape covers, logos, photography, film assets. Now I got the program open, so we're going to jump into it and I'm going to show y'all a couple things. Now, I got this image up, but the image isn't fitting on the canvas. Now you can use the clone the stamp tool, but man, with the confetti and all this stuff going on in the background, it take ages. But with the new generative AI feature that Adobe implemented in the Photoshop, it literally takes seconds. We're going to have a selection, and we're going to select part of our image and part of our canvas and click generate fill. Then we're going to click generate. The program is going to do its thing. Literally, it takes seconds. You guys can watch it. This is real time. I'm not skipping anything, fast forwarding, speeding anything up, but literally takes seconds and it literally gave me results. It will give you 3 variations of your selection. I don't know if this is going to change in the future, but in the beta, it gives you 3 variations. This is our first one. This is our second one. This is our third one. You can go through all 3 of the images and select which variation that you want, and you can keep it. So again, we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to select part of our canvas, select part of our image, click generate fill, click generate, and we're going to see what the program comes up with. Again, this is real time. You guys can see how fast it's moving. And voila. You guys can see how it filled that background up. Literally took seconds. You can also create different letters, clip art, logos, anything.
TV, I used to have no cash begging her to come see me. Brought out the rest today, now these hoes wanna free me. I said we were going up one day, now you believe me. Couple pointers like TP, we gon' rock out today. Back then you know you ain't need me. Now they waiting on me to drop the take. Going hard, I can't stop today. Fruity little bitch, you block today. All bad Drake, that bitch a chopper. I ain't even worried about told my Glock today. Well known flexing, yellow diamonds. I brought the butter out. Thought it was a gun, and I show where we bought them cutters out. Loose lips in your rap, you dissing who, boy, better watch your mouth. Internet, iCloud, you might need a timeout. You chasing too much cloud. Got right off the bus to go post on the block. They ask why you mention the block so much, cause that's where the shit started. Used to be dancing, throwing parties, kicking big shit like Jeff Harden. Put that ball down to see what the field was like, now I'm recording. When we on top, we gon' live it up, cause we got shit on lock. Thought we forgot, we ain't sparing him, we might just been in block. Merc drop his top, he a arsonist, he like playing with that fire. And I know Leonardo doing, but he too busy, rubber banding 9. Well, you said you out, you not. Try to reach, I would think twice. It ain't the fact that you ain't at my back, it's the fact that you lie. I used to have none. Came up out the war scars on my back. Said I'm the golden child, but all I see is green, I need my rain.